Hey, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you what I add to my African black soap to give me a glowing skin, a smooth skin, anti-acne skin. Okay, so yes, so if you are new on this channel, you are welcome. I'm so happy to have you on my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So I'll be using half of this African black soap. I went ahead to crack it into smaller pieces. You can as well use your grater to grate it finely. Okay, yes, I didn't get the very soft one, so this is very dry. I went ahead to crack it into smaller pieces. Okay, yes, the next step you will be doing is to get this beautiful soap, this anti-acne soap, this skin clear technology, okay, by pharmaderm. Is very effective. It has vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E in it. It's anti-aging, it's exfoliant. Okay, it has this ability to exfoliate your skin and then take off all these dead cells. So I went ahead to grate it into smaller particles and also added it to my bowl of African black soap. Okay, so this soap here has a lot of ingredients that is going to repair your dead skin, that is going to repair your dormant skin. Okay, it's going to make everything look very naturally healthy for you. I went ahead and added 2 tablespoons of water to dissolve all the soap. So the next ingredient I'll be adding is palm kernel oil. You can as well use coconut oil. This is original palm kernel oil. It has not been processed, but if you find a processed one too, you can actually use it. That one is always clear. Okay, and I use just 2 spoons of that palm kernel oil. And the next I'll be adding is shea butter. This is just half spoon of shea butter. You can add like 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Okay, yes, and yes, that is our next ingredient. And now I'm just going to go ahead with a spatula to mix all this. Let all the ingredients incorporate with each other. Okay, so guys, stay with me and watch to the end and see the other ingredients that I'm going to be adding to this bowl of beautiful powerful soap. Okay, this is anti-aging soap, this is an exfoliant, this is anti-acne soap, and this will beautifully make your skin very healthy. Okay, so yes, I just went ahead to mix everything together and try to combine everything beautifully. Okay, so yes guys, so guys, after mixing, I'll let this sit for about an extra 5 minutes, okay, before I use the double method to melt everything together. So guys, this is the double boiling method. I kept a bowl of water or a pan of boiling water on the flame and added the bowl of soap or the bowl of mixture inside it, as you can see as so. Okay, and we are gently going to heat this on medium heat. Okay, low to medium heat. You can as well be turning it so that it can dissolve quickly. You go ahead to mix it or turn it occasionally so it can dissolve faster. So guys, you are going to do this process for about an hour. You are going to do this on low to medium heat for about an hour. Okay, and in an hour time, everything is going to melt beautifully and incorporate beautifully. If you still have some lumps, do not worry, it is going to soften and you are going to mix everything together just like so. So as I mentioned earlier, we still have a couple of ingredients to add, and this is honey. This is pure honey. You are going to go ahead to add 2 tablespoons of pure honey into your soap mixture. Yes, I mean pure honey. Yes, and those who love to add milk to their soap, this is the time you are going to add the milk. Okay, so if you are using milk, you don't need to use water in this mixture. If this the liquid milk, you are going to add it without adding water. Okay, yes, but you have to be mindful. If your black soap is very soft, there is no need adding water at the beginning of the process. Okay, everything is going to melt beautifully, so go ahead to mix your soap whilst it melts. I will put in the list of ingredients and their measurement in the description box below, so you can check that out to find the right measurements. I am preparing this in just a small quantity because I will be preparing it frequently. I don't want to use any preservative or any artificial substance in this soap, so everything is organic and naturally okay. So this is how it looks like after 30 minutes of slow heating and melting. Okay, I thought it would take like an hour, but it just took like 30 minutes. Yeah, so our next ingredient and last ingredient is adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Yes, this is very important as turmeric has a beneficial factor in the skin preparation and rejuvenation. Yes, it will beautifully make your skin brighter, take off dark spots, and prevent acne. Okay, so before adding your turmeric powder, you need to take it off your boiling water. Okay, so as you add your turmeric powder and you are mixing, it gets cold and it's going to take in very soon. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are still watching, okay, and subscribe if you are new, and please try and press on the bell notification so as anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will give you a notification. Okay, yes, I am so happy that you are watching this video. So now you are going to allow the soap mixture to sit for an extra 30 minutes so everything cools down and thickens beautifully. So you are going to look for a container with tight fitting lid to store this soap. Okay, you have to store this soap mixture very well so you can use it every day. You can use it twice a day and you are going to have a very beautiful skin. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate all the effort of trying to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Do well to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and comment below what you think about this soap mixture. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and bye.